One thing that really irritates me working with this old reclaimed steel, some of it, cut it, shape it, anneal it, drill holes in it, handles, heat treat handles, put it together. Some of it, cut it, shape it, anneal it, and you still cannot drill it. This is what I normally use for fillet knives and royal gamblers. Some of the steel I get, some of this type, will anneal up, drill just fine. Some of it will not. These, watch close, will not. So we're starting all over again on that. Anyway, got some in the forge annealing right now. Hate to start over, but gotta do it. Alright, y'all. I cannot put this off any longer. I've got to clean off the roof of the shop. The leak is right up in there. Y'all see, I told you I had trees growing up here. Oh boy, it's gonna be fun, but I got my little handy dandy power pole saw. After I get some of this out of the way, I got to cut these limbs off of here. Now the reason I say I can't put it off anymore, we got some looks like some pretty good storms coming this week. Lots of rain, and I've got to get this stuff off of here while it's dry. It's real overcast. It may rain today, I don't know, but I've got to get the leak patched if I can. Did a little bit of knife work this morning and got to do it. I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. I'm not going to try to bring the camera up here while I'm cutting limbs and all, because I'm sure I'm going to break something. So I'll be back. Alright, I brought the camera up here anyway. Do y'all believe in signs and omens? This is a sign that I need to go fishing. Where'd he go? I got fish bait on the roof of the shop over the boat. What's that tell you? Now I'm gonna toss him down here under the tree. That's pretty cool, huh? Lordy, this is work. Lordy mercy. Hoo-wee. Got the limbs cut off the top. Got most of the leaves and stuff swept off. And that is my limit for today. I've got a little more energy than the last few days, but that just took it right out of me. And goodness. Now I've got to get up here with a spray bottle and some bleach and clean off all this green algae before I put the roof sealer up here. Well, mainly in this spot right over here, but I got to clean out all these leaves because I think that's where it's coming from. Not too much worried about this over here because it's not leaking. And I'm gonna try to cut a few more limbs over here that are hanging down. And that big log that's stuck up in there that broke off is just gonna have to stay there because I can't get it out. These vines, I'll put some weed killer on them at the base. But there you go. That would be, besides cutting a few limbs, I'm not dragging anything off. I've got a big pile everywhere, but we'll worry about that another day. Goodness, got a rest. Well, alrighty, tree trimming for today is done. I got the biggest of it, and I have a mess. And it's just gonna have to sit here for a couple of days until I can get it drug off back to the back there. Now some of it I'll cut up with a chainsaw for firewood, and the rest of it I'll just drag back there, or I may not cut any of it up. I don't know. I got plenty of wood. But anyway, the old tree still looks pretty rough, but we'll just have to see what happens. It's off the shop anyway, and it's gonna rain any minute now, so patching the roof will have to wait till another time. But it's not that bad a leak, so it'll be all right. Now one more little clip and I will see y'all in a day or two.
Got wet, so I left it on, let it dry. Wow, by the time I got home, I was hot. So apparently my cat does like to play.
Look at that, Killer.
Does look like claw prints to me.
You would never do nothing like that, would you?
Okay, so we had a great time. I sure wish
You wouldn't tear up
we
my
could
paper
find some
towels
people to
like that,
ride
would
with.
you?
Just the more people that, it's just funner. Okay, that G.
What's a tough life, ain't it, Killer? Just got through eating, now you wanna go to sleep.